Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the global cues was not good when in SGX Nifty indicating gap down open 100 point. For third straight day, we have lost more than 150 point. I think today Nifty is down by 168 points. And today, once again, it's all about HDFC twins. Yesterday, Nifty lost 150 point. Out of that 150 point, 100 point fall came only from HDFC and HDFC Bank. And today, again, Nifty has fallen about 168 point. But out of this 168, 100 point fall came only from three stocks, that is HDFC, HDFC Bank, along with Reliance. And crude oil has come down, so probably that is the reason why the Reliance has fallen so much. Reliance has come under a severe profit booking today. So finally, for a third straight day, we closed significantly lower. As I told you in the morning, my technical analysis is also showing short now. Look at the HDFC. HDFC and HDFC Bank merger news came on Monday. On Friday, Nifty future was trading around 17,700. On Monday morning, this merger news came and HDFC shot up from 2450 to 2950. And today, it has come back to 2450. 500 point shot up and 500 point fall. 1000 point move in a matter of 4 trading sessions. And HDFC Bank also the same thing, shot up from 1500 to 1700, now back to 1500. And not only that, even the Nifty, last Friday Nifty future closed around 17,700. The HDFC Bank merger news came on Monday. By Tuesday, it shot up to 18,200. From 18,200 now come back to 17,700. You know, like 500 point up, 500 point down, HDFC 500 rupees up, 500 rupees down, you know. So this makes volatility, like very huge volatility. Unless you are a skilled person, you will make losses. Even I have made losses only. What was significant today, I have observed, market is falling for the third straight day, but despite that, I don't know why the Nifty future is trading at a huge premium to the Nifty spot. There is a 90 rupees premium between Nifty spot and Nifty future. I am in the market for the last 15 years. I don't think that any time I have seen this kind of premium. The maximum premium will be 40-50 points only. The 90 point premium is extraordinary. The same thing in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, at some point I was checking, the Bank Nifty is actually down by 50 point, but Bank Nifty future is up by 50 point. Yesterday, the Bank Nifty future was trading at about 100 point premium to the Bank Nifty spot. But today, the Bank Nifty future trading at 200 point premium to the spot. So in the past, I have observed this kind of premium, but this is extraordinary. But usually when this kind of premium is there, the Nifty or Bank Nifty will have to catch up. And it has to go higher, and Nifty future will not go higher, Nifty will go higher. So in 1 or 2 days, that it will come back to the normal. If that is not happening, if 2 or 3 days the Nifty future premium is so high, then definitely the market will fall. So probably because of tomorrow RBA policy, you know, they are expecting something good or some insider information, I don't know. But tomorrow RBA policy is going to be a non-event. I don't think that RBA is going to increase the rate. But there is a possibility RBA governor may give a hawkish statement. And because the crude keeps on going higher, Russia problem is not coming to an end, US market keep on rising the interest rate, then how long we can keep low interest rate? So in future, maybe, RBA may have to increase the rate. So he may talk something like that. So that can be only negative only. I don't think that anything going to be very positive. But I really don't know. I'm also confused. And such a big premium. And 200 point premium, Bank Nifty, 1 or 2 times I remember seeing that. But Nifty, I have never seen the 90 rupees premium. So this is very, very thing. And another significant thing is that, today morning, the global cues was not really very good. European futures and American futures were lower. But in the afternoon, when the European market opened, they opened slightly higher. And even the US futures also turned positive. In the morning, Dow future was about 100 to 150 point down. Then it has become like 25 to 50 point in green. But despite that, our intraday volatility was so high. And after the European market opened, we shot up. And then from the high, Nifty has fallen nearly 200 point and Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 500 point. So I'm going for a party. So therefore, I'm just recording this video. It is not live. I'm recording at 4:30, so FII data will not be available, but I think today FII would have sold in good quantities. Otherwise, why market has to fall so much despite benign global cues and despite falling for 2 days straight. Today is the 3rd day. So let us see. Tomorrow RBA policy is there, so therefore there is no point in looking at option data. But I can say today's close is a disappointing close, and I did not expect Nifty to fall so much. But once again, the broader markets are okay. It is all about the index heavyweights. So Infosys, TCS, HDFC Bank, HDFC, Reliance. So everything is falling. And luckily today, other banks like Axis Bank, State Bank, ICICI Bank have gone up. So the damage was not very big in Bank Nifty. And because of that, the damage was not really very big in Nifty. Otherwise, Nifty would have fallen even more. I remember 2-3 years before, at one point of time, the whole market was down, but Nifty kept on going higher just because of the top 5 stocks performing well. Now exactly the opposite is happening. The whole market is good, but the top 5 stocks keep falling, and that's why market is down. So anyway, so this year, the year 2022, market will become like a beach horse. It can go up, come down, go up, come down, but finally it's not going to go anywhere. So that is my idea. That is why I have sold December 18,000 short straddle for about 2,500 rupees premium. So hopefully market goes up, down, it go and close around 18,000, will be making a very good profit. And so that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and tomorrow maybe I will come out with one strategy video, tomorrow or Saturday. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.